Hey guys, we're out on North Twin in Amery, Wisconsin, doing a little fishing. So, caught this guy so far, and I caught a walleye. But I got up here and I was taking it off, and it poof, right into the water. So, we caught some sunnies. So, if we get enough sunnies, we'll do a catch, clean, and cook. So, anyways, it's like, I don't know what time it is. Must be 10, 11 o'clock. Kind of cloudy. It's like 98% humidity. Starting to warm up. It wasn't too bad, but starting to warm up. I can feel it. So, I don't know how long we'll be out here for, but we're gonna give it a whirl and see.